In this recording in our series of drill geometries, we'll talk about the option of CAD selection. What exactly is CAD selection? CAD selection allows you to pick your drill geometries from the actual CAD tree, from the actual design. Let's click on CAD selection and say I want to pick these three holes from the CAD tree. I'll go down and I know that those particular holes are M10s. I'll click on that particular hole and you'll see that that has been chosen. All I have to do is go back to resume and those three holes will appear inside my list for the drill geometries. I can go back, choose any one I want, and those will also be added to here as well. Undo applies here as well. It's basically like any other drill geometry now. Now, as far as it goes with the CAM settings, there are no particular settings that are for drill geometries. So basically, we're leaving everything as is. That concludes our recordings on drill geometries.